Hello, we're going to take a look at the Sharpal knife sharpening diamond stone today. It's a dual grit diamond whetstone or stone. We mean sharpen with a storage base. It comes in coarse and extra fine. It is a 325 and 1200 grit. I got this off of Amazon. I will leave a link to an Amazon affiliate link if you're interested in this sharpening stone after the video. Please, if you use that, I will get a small commission, and it helps out with channel and more content. So let's get on with it. So this is the Sharpal, and this is a stone that I picked up to do some sharpening videos, and I wanted to find something that would be priced appropriately to give new sharpeners or people getting back into sharpening a good experience the first time out. Other types of stones can get deformed over time. Diamond stone, this is a really high quality one. I'm really surprised at the reasonable price that it's sold at. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So this is the box that it comes in. I've already opened this. I've sharpened a whole bunch of things with it just to make sure it's something I would recommend. So let's open the box. So it comes pretty well packed. It's got a foam on both ends that keeps it stable in the box. And everything you see here on the table I have sharpened with this. I probably sharpened about 40 different knives and blades. So let's clear this out of the way and take a look. So it comes with a nice plastic case that's got a rubber bottom. So it's a non-slip rubber bottom. Works really well. Pretty stable once you put it down. You open the side, the lid, and you have the stone and a pad that keeps it from rattling around. You can take out the stone, and like I had stated, it has got, this model number is the BE09S1E. It's the larger of the two that they offer. The grit on it is going to be a extra fine grit of 1200, which is fantastic for sharpening. Everything that I sharpen, for the most part, 99.9% of it is going to be roughly a 300 grit and a 1000 grit. So this fell right into the window for, doing the sharpening videos I've been doing. So the coarse side on this side here is 325 grit. And like I said, the fine is 1200 grit. So it's very even. There's not a lot of deformation to it. It's very flat, very straight. So you get the sharpening steel with the diamond coating on it. It also comes with a angle gauge, and this has got a 14 degree, a 17 degree, a 20 degree, and a 25 degree. And so that's pretty handy when you're learning, it's got a magnet on it, and so you can actually attach it to the stone itself. Then this fits really comfortably on the base, and then this is pretty much, skid proof. It's worked really well in my circumstances. I've been very happy with it. So like I said, I've sharpened a lot of things with it, and it's held up very well. Normally, I'm not a fan of stones. Diamond stones have always been far too expensive, in my opinion, for the results you get. They'd often, particles would break off the top. It wasn't the best experience, and it was expensive. So this one comes in on Amazon roughly or in the $60 to $70 range for the larger one, and I believe it's about $50 for the smaller one, or a little bit below that. I opted for the larger one because it's going to allow you to hold your angle more easily. So say if you're working on a larger knife or a smaller knife, the fact that your contact with the apex that you're sharpening is going to be broader because it's a larger stone. It also gives you a little more, when you go across, it gives you a little more real estate. So it works great, for a larger blade like this one. It also works really well for, tiny blades. I've got like a small chisel here. So this would be, you know, like a carving chisel. And I've sharpened this on it. Really quite nice. This I sharpened a few days ago. I've been using it. So as you can see, it's still got quite a nice edge on it. But yeah, this is a fantastic sharpener. I have found nothing negative about it. Until you get, I'd say, under $80 or $100, this is probably the best thing you're going to find. It's the best thing I've found. And I highly recommend it. If you want to see this in use, feel free to look at some of my previous sharpening videos. And that's it. This is a great deal.